Selections. The tiles, the tapware, the bench tops are where a lot of jobs get messy, with choices scattered across emails and showroom notes. Paperless gives you one organized catalogue. Go to estimates, then selections, then product master. This is every product you offer in one place. Brand, category, and your price. Tapware, cabinets, roofing, flooring. Add your range once, and every job after that draws from the same list. Adding one takes seconds. Name, brand, category, your price. Or import a whole supplier quotation in one go. Then build selection lists. Group products into the decisions a client actually makes, like a kitchen list or a bathroom list. And selection templates let you save a whole standard package, ready to stamp onto any new project. Need products you don't stock yet? Browse the supplier marketplace and pull them straight into your catalogue, prices and all. Set this up once, and your clients make their choices inside Paperless, against your products, at your prices, with every decision recorded. No more disputes about who picked what tile. Next up, turning an estimate into a quote your customer can sign.